Welcome back to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special, in which we're going to play another Super Nintendo game, and it's going to be Wheel of Fortune. We just finished playing Super Mario World, and we only lost one life the entire game, so I'll call that a victory for sure.
How many players would you like?
All right.
Would you like to play against the computer? Please enter your name. Please choose a character. Please enter your
Who are we
name.
taking on today? We're taking on Mel.
Please
All right.
choose a character.
And who is Mel?
Please
Awesome.
enter your name.
And who's the other opponent? Looks like Michaela. All right. And who is Michaela?
Please choose a character.
All right. Top dollar value for our first round is $1,500, and our first round category is person, and I get to start. $800. R. There's an R. $250. N.
Choose a letter.
All right, $1,050. I'd like to buy an E.
Choose a letter.
And I just figured out the puzzle. I know who this person is. Oh, 900. How about an S?
Choose a letter.
How about two of them? 2,600. Let's keep it going. And again. T.
Choose a letter.
P.
Choose a letter.
Let me have a V.
Choose a letter.
What are those? L.
Choose a letter.
Wow. I'm about to dominate this first round. A B.
Choose a letter.
And I'll have a G.
Choose a letter.
$7,300. Steven Spielberg. Famous movie director. Alright. Round two's coming up. $2,500 based on the wheel. And we'll get another puzzle loaded up with person yet again. And Mel gets to start.
a letter.
Oh, there's a T. Spin it again, Mel. It was $200.
Choose a letter.
No S. My turn. How about an R?
Choose a letter.
2 R's. All right. I'll have a B.
Choose a letter.
All right. Let me buy an E.
Choose a letter.
Yeah, 3 E's. That'll help. Let me have an N.
Choose a letter.
2 N's. That's $5,000 worth. Doing just fine.
Choose
K.
a letter.
I'll have a D.
Choose a letter.
And I'll have a Y.
Choose a letter.
$9,850 this round. Robert Kennedy. So far for the game, we've won $17,150. Round 3's coming up. $5,000 space goes out on the wheel. Bing is the category. We'll start with Michaela. And she made it. 600.
Choose a letter.
Oh, once again, she almost gets a bankrupt and manages to
Choose
escape.
a letter.
No H. My turn. Let me have an N.
Choose a letter.
2 N's. All right. So I have $600. Let me buy an E.
Choose a letter.
But there is no E. Over to Mel. $250.
Choose a letter.
No T.
Choose a letter.
All right.
Choose a letter.
Is there a G? There is. Excuse me. Led by an I.
Choose a letter.
Oh, okay, I figured it out. I'll spin. And we have an S.
Choose a letter. Choose a
W.
letter.
I'll have an F.
Choose a letter.
And I'll have a D.
Choose a
Windsurfing.
letter.
So altogether, I've won $18,950. And we're going to play the bonus round. I've already decided which letter I'm going to choose. As we try to solve a person, I'm going to pick the H. R-S-T-L-N-E. Let's get him up there.
Choose a letter.
A is C.
Choose a letter.
An H.
Choose a letter.
B.
Choose a letter.
I. Boris Yeltsin. Got a vacation along with $18,950 cash.